Prairie chicken is a very fascinating bird because we're trying to re-establish them in numbers in a habitat that isn't the one they developed in. They developed in tall grass prairie. Read, what's his name? The man Buchler, who wrote. Well, the bit of the book I know about is describing leaving Houston and riding to Austin, and he describes the trees I left behind along the ends of the bayous. From there on, it was with grass that was belly high to my horse and often over my head. Now, the prairie chickens lived on the ground in the bottom of that canopy, or whatever you like to call it, that blanket. So predators couldn't find them. The raccoons and the possums and all the other people might eat them. The young couldn't find them. Fire ants weren't here, and they developed and evolved as a bird or ground bird living under this thick blanket where they could hide away very easily. You grazed it off, so now the density of the grasses, and I was out there last Saturday, is not high enough to really cover them up. McCartney rose is grown in. It's not a typical native species of prairies. It's so dense the birds can't get through in underneath, so it goes through no protection. And raccoons and possums and everyone else can walk through this grass and find the young. And we've got fire ants, which eat them. Several years ago, a group of us, at request of Fish and Wildlife Service, swept a square mile with a chain and ropes and what have you, walking. One morning, found 2 birds in the densest place in this country where the prairie chickens. I think their numbers have gone up since then, but that's how bad it was.